Hello, Allie. Who's my kitty? Well, guys, Allie's back at my house. Hi, Allie. Yep. She's kind of scared of the camera, but it's okay, kitty cat. Yep. So this is Allie once again, you guys. She's back once again. I think this is My Cat Allie Part 6 or something. I'm not quite sure. But here she is. 15. Poor kitty. She's 15 years old. Guys think she's cute? Leave a comment down below. Hi, Allie. Scratch her ears. Rump. Yep. So my little tuxedo cat is back at my house because she's so cute. Ear scratch. Head scratch. Back scratch. Oh yeah, she loves that. Rump. 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 Oh, it's okay, kitty. Don't be afraid. Alright guys, well hope you enjoyed My Cat Allie part 6 or something. Hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.